Oh, look. There's 2 deer. There's one to the left of that pole, and then there's one. I see it wagging its tail. Look, look. The deer's just hanging out. Like, what's going on? Oh, the other one's looking. They're both just looking at me. Hi, dearies. I'm such a nerd. Hello, dear. Hi, dear. How you doing? Hello, Miss Deers. I think it's 2 does. What do y'all think? Or is it 2 young bucks? I don't know. Yeah, that's as far as I can zoom in. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave these deers alone. Bye, y'all.